Welcome back to another CHEM2303 lab experiment primer video. Spectrophotometry is a useful analysis technique used in this lab course. A type of spectrophotometry is spectrofluorometry, a more sensitive and selective technique for analyzing the amount of light emitted from the excited state of a given analyte. Here you'll get hands-on experience with the instrument through the analysis of quinine and tonic water. Let's get started. In this experiment, the learning focus will be on the fundamentals and use of spectrofluorometry, as well as your ability to make appropriate analytical standards, interpretation of instrument emission readings, and understanding how other molecules can interfere with your analysis. With your dilution calculations completed before arriving, your quinine standards can be prepared from the stock solution you make. To create these standards, you'll be using a serial dilution, where multiple standards are made from one another in sequence. Look online or in your course textbook to see more on serial dilutions. To investigate the effects of green tea on quinine, a cup of tea will be steeped in this lab. Remember, after your 15 minutes of steeping, the tea bag must be removed from the solution. If not, the concentration of the tea will change over time, giving inconsistent results of its effects on quinine analysis. Finally, make sure your cuvettes are clean and dry before adding your samples to them for spectrofluorometric analysis. From your fluorescence data, 2 calibration curves can be made to determine the amount of quinine in tonic water. Don't forget to compare your results found on both curves, and as always, good luck and stay curious.